75 years ago, Art Bernard built this company from the ground up, was a pioneer in welding at the time. One of our consumables that he originally built the company around, we still offer today, so he was a very smart individual.
As the welding industry has evolved, Bernard has evolved with it. Over the last several years, we've really seen the ability to take that core engineering foundation and accelerate the growth of the business with the ITW business model.
Over the last 75 years, consumable innovation has probably shaped the growth of our business, the landscape of our business the most.
I think we have one of the best consumable platforms on the market. A lot of engineering and time went into it. It's proven itself time and time again. We're going to continue to evolve to still stay an industry leader in the MIG gun market.
When I started here, we didn't have computers. We have the ability right now to model something, print it out, put it on a product, give it to a customer, and have them use it and give us feedback and very easily tweak or change those designs.
We've come a long ways, but there's always more for us to do. We have opportunities to evolve our technology, to better understand our customers.
Being very customer focused, as our customers evolve and as their needs change, so will ours.
I have been with the company for 36 years. A lot of things have changed, but it always comes down to the people you work with, the relationships.
Knowing that I can go out to the floor, when I just need a mental break from the meetings and be able to talk to anybody that's on the floor makes this place a great place to work.
I have seen Bernard change in my 24 years. The people that are here, that work here, the engineers, customer service, salespeople. We have just came together and made this place what it is today. I love it.